Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel IT Acute. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-use mesh Wi-Fi system to cover your whole house with fast and stable wireless connectivity, you might want to consider the Amplifi HD. In this video, we'll review the features, performance and design of this stylish device and compare it with some of its competitors. We'll also share some customer feedback and give you our final verdict on whether it's worth buying or not. At the end of this video there will be more information on where to go if you would like to know more. The Amplifi HD is a mesh Wi-Fi system that consists of a router base station and two wireless mesh points that plug into any wall outlet. The router has a sleek white cube design with a circular touchscreen that displays the time, date, network status and speed. It also has 4 gigabit LAN ports, a WAN port, a USB port and a power port on the back. The mesh points are tall antennas that have magnetic connectors that allow you to adjust their angle for optimal signal reception. They also have LED indicators that show the signal strength. The Amplifi HD is very easy to set up and manage using the free Amplifi app for iOS or Android. The app guides you through the installation process step by step and lets you customize your network settings, such as the SSID, password, guest network, parental controls and more. You can also monitor your network performance, see which devices are connected, run speed tests, update firmware and contact support from the app. One of the advantages of the Amplifi HD is that it uses a dedicated 5 GHz band for backhaul communication between the router and the mesh points, which means it doesn't sacrifice bandwidth for your devices. It also supports 3x3 MIMO technology, which means it can deliver faster speeds than most other mesh systems that use 2x2 MIMO. According to our tests, the Amplifi HD delivered impressive throughput and range performance in both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. It was able to cover a large house with multiple floors and rooms without any dead spots or signal drops. The Amplifi HD also has some drawbacks, though. One of them is that it's quite expensive compared to some other mesh systems, such as Google Wi-Fi or BT Whole Home Wi-Fi. It costs $349 for the router and 2 mesh points bundle, which is more than enough for most homes, but if you need more coverage, you'll have to pay $109 for each additional mesh point. Another drawback is that it has limited settings and features compared to some traditional routers. For example, you can't configure advanced options like COS, VPN, firewall or port forwarding. You also can't use the USB port to connect external devices like printers or hard drives. Another thing to consider is the design of the mesh points. While they are easy to plug in and adjust, they are also quite large and conspicuous. They may not fit well with your home decor or may block other outlets. They also depend on the power outlet orientation and location, which may affect their performance. Some customers have complained that they had to move them around to find the best spot or use extension cords to avoid interference. To give you a better idea of how the Amplifi HD compares with other popular mesh systems, we'll provide some brief comparisons based on our research and customer reviews. Google Wi-Fi. This is one of the most affordable and user-friendly mesh systems on the market. It costs $299 for a set of 3 units that can cover up to 4,500 square feet. It has a simple white puck design that blends in well with any environment. It also has an intuitive app that lets you set up and manage your network easily. However, it doesn't have a dedicated backhaul band, which means it may slow down when multiple devices are connected. It also doesn't support 3x3 MIMO technology, which means it may not deliver as fast speeds as the Amplifi HD. Netgear Orbi. This is one of the most powerful and feature-rich mesh systems on the market. It costs $399 for a router and a satellite unit that can cover up to 5,000 square feet. It has a tall white tower design that looks futuristic but may not suit everyone's taste. It also has a dedicated backhaul band and supports 4x4 MIMO technology, which means it can deliver blazing fast speeds and handle multiple devices without any lag or buffering. However, it's also very expensive compared to other mesh systems, especially if you need more than 2 units. It also has a bulky design that may take up a lot of space or block other outlets. BT Whole Home Wi-Fi. This is one of the most budget-friendly and reliable mesh systems on the market. It costs $199 for a set of 3 units that can cover up to 4,000 square feet. It has a sleek white disc design that looks elegant and discreet. It also has a simple app that lets you set up and manage your network easily. However, it doesn't have a dedicated backhaul band, which means it may slow down when multiple devices are connected. It also doesn't support 3x3 MIMO technology, which means it may not deliver as fast speeds as the Amplifi HD. To sum up, the Amplifi HD is a great mesh Wi-Fi system that will cover your whole house in Wi-Fi goodness, while also looking stylish. It's easy to set up and use, and delivers fast and stable performance. However, it's also quite expensive and has limited settings and features. It may not be the best choice for everyone, depending on your budget, needs and preferences. If you're interested in buying the Amplifi HD and supporting my channel, you can click on the Amazon link below. If you want to learn more about it, we have a more in-depth review that include customer reviews at itacute.com, or simply click on the link below. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.